things I love the most about cheese is how much diversity there is. So you can go to a cheese shop and there's hundreds of varieties, and every time you can experience a new set of flavors. One of my favorite cheeses is a cheese that we actually study a lot in my lab. So we collect samples from all over the world, and a cheesemaker that we work with a lot is Jasper Hill Farm in Vermont, and they make a blue cheese called Bailey Hazen Blue, which I love, and it's
vault, where it said air was important to be around the cheese when you're storing it.
Yeah, so because cheese is alive, and the microbes in it, if you want to keep those microbes alive and happy, you want to allow them to have a little bit of oxygen. So if you wrap it in plastic wrap, you're suffocating the microbes on the cheese.
That's kind of interesting. You know, and thanks for the call. That brings up the question: Can every cheese batch, or however you call it, be the same? I mean, if there are microbes and bacteria and different kinds of stuff floating in the air, isn't every what's the wheel or whatever? What do you call a batch of cheese, Rachel?
Yeah.
A batch of cheese.
A batch of cheese. Yeah.
Are they gonna all be different, really?
Yeah. So you can have, you know, differences depending on the season, where the milk is coming from.